Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 3462 Sandy Beach Drive on beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is a spectacular architect-designed Canandaigua Lake dream home with million-dollar views.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with this light and bright two-story foyer, featuring a grand staircase and tile floors.
This superbly designed home highlights open living with a focus on the phenomenal lake views. Featuring a great room with a designer kitchen with Brookhaven cabinetry with under cabinetry lighting, recessed and pendant lighting, and a center island breakfast bar. Open to the waterfront view dining area and living area with a gas fireplace. All with heated floors and a wall of windows with breathtaking lake views. The first floor also features a convenient bedroom, full bathroom, and laundry room. Easy one-floor living.
The excitement continues upstairs, featuring 3 additional spacious bedrooms and 2 baths, plus an area above the garage for a potential 5th bedroom, including this Lakeview owner suite. This architect-designed quality-built home has great craftsmanship and is evident in the details.
This is what the lake lifestyle is all about. With 50 feet of lake-level waterfront with a break wall, a permanent dock with a boat lift, a lounging patio area with a fire pit, and breathtaking southern exposure with Bear Hill and the Bristol Hills as your backdrop. A front row seat to the holiday fireworks shows.
On the east side of Canandaigua Lake, you get spectacular sunsets. You could have it all in this Canandaigua Lake dream home. This rare location at the end of Sandy Beach Drive is steps away from CMAC and everything Canandaigua has to offer. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 3462 Sandy Beach Drive on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!